Hello and welcome. How are you doing, my friend? Next I'd like to show you that how to replace this Toyota Camry cars, this rear areas register plate lights and bulbs. And let's go to do that next. Okay, and then we need to look in this Toyota Camry's this rear area, and then we need to open this trunk, and when we look in here up area, there is our next target, and our target is this carpet and mattress in here, and we need to take next that out. Okay, and this cover and this mattress goes out, so that we only carefully we move that, and then we pull down that carefully, and that way. And there are those small plastic clamps, and let's go to look closer. They look like this, and if this goes broken, we can go to purchase new one in this Toyota dealership center, and this cost about $1 or euro piece. And this is critical part, that we take that part away, and now this job is quite well status, because next I need to only a little bit move that in this position, and now actually it happens so that this full cover drops down, but no worry, because we need to only insert these fasteners back, and as I said, we can purchase new one in these. We can take that away in that way, and this we can. Okay, now this is a little bit stuck, but no worry, I take my tongs that I can. Okay, now it went away, and in that kind of plastic fasteners, if this goes broken, we can go to purchase this new one in this Toyota dealership center, and then we only insert that in that way back in there, and we press this back in this hole in that way. And this is this Toyota's quality, that we can take these parts away, and then we can replace also those. And normally these Toyota's parts last this 20 years, and they are still usable. And it is really amazing if we compare some another car brands where these plastic parts can be broken within 1 year. But now I don't say that big brand where this plastic parts goes broken within 1 year. Okay, and then when this is okay, then we look in that area in here, and let's go to look that next. Okay, and now we are looking at that area, and there is this lock side, and then we need to only look in here, and there is this cable in there, and I need to only a little bit rotate that, and then this register plate light is in here, and this light goes away, so that I take my fingers, and next I take better view of that. Okay, and there we have better view, and there is this my bulb, and I take my fingers and only pull out, and there is this bulb, and this is standard this glass bulb what I have in my hand, and this cost about, and I change that position a little bit better, we can look, this bulb cost about €1 per piece, and this is standard stuff in any car spare part shop. And there is metallic part, and then when we install it back, we take our fingers in that position, and then we only lift that back, and let's look how it happens. There is this my cable, that part, and I take that out, and this goes only one way in here, in that way. loop that cable not in that way, in like plain, and then when we press it, it goes well, and then when I go to test, it is of course good to test that is this working, and now I go to turn on this parking light. Okay, and what we can see, there is nice light, and then I like to show you that how I install it back, and let's go to look that. And there is idea, this is little bit that there is this blue area, and this goes nicely in there, and then we need to only rotate so that it is not yet ready. We need to insert that in here, and then it goes a little bit deeper in there when we, okay, what was this, there is hole, and then when I rotate that little bit, it suddenly, okay, now in that position it is in, when we press that little bit down and then rotate, this is the right position. And please check that this part don't go away, and it is not very tight but so well, and now this thing is ready. Okay, and thank you for watching, and there is of course nice logo in here. Okay, and see you in next movie.